early afternoon, friends, I guess. I'm going to get started in 2 minutes at 12:30, and we'll be doing code reviews for the Apache Spark project, and I will be explicitly following up on some of the previous code reviews that I've done, seeing if their comments have been addressed and if maybe there's some PRs which are ready to merge. And if there are, hopefully I can walk you all through the merge process for Spark. So just hang tight. Actually, 1 minute now. 1 minute. Just hang tight 1 more minute and we'll be with you. Okay, and I guess that is a good cue to start. I'm in a hotel like I often am. And the difference is today I'm actually going to not work the entire day, which I'm very excited about. It's my wife's birthday tomorrow. I'm not going to say what's planned, but it's exciting. And yes. So that's why the code review is today rather than my usual Friday. And so let's go ahead and start diving into the code reviews. So I am going to go to this sparkprs.appspot.com. It's really convenient because it gives me this very nice integrated view, and I can also sign in and look at my my own PRs as well as all of the PRs which I've commented on in the Spark project, and I can see, I'm going to go in here, hold in K, and so it shows 4 open PRs, but if I click in here, it shows which PRs I've commented on, and I can sort them by how recently they've been updated. This one, 22 hours ago, let's go ahead and take a look at that. Multiple engram size. Why is my phone buzzing? Also feel free to ask questions on the live stream chat in Twitch or YouTube, whichever one you're using. The logistic regression summarized model. Oh, it doesn't merge anymore, damn it. That's rough. This is a PR we should ask Seth to close at this point, probably. Let's go and take a look at this one here. This one as well. This one, supporting virtual env in PySpark. There is a lot going on there, and it doesn't currently merge or pass Jenkins, so we're not gonna open that up today. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one as well. This one, we probably won't do much with it. We'll just say okay to test. I'm actually surprised this was updated 19 days ago. Let's go ahead and open that one there too. I kind of expected that PR to be sort of on the shelf. Okay, let's start this party. Got a lot of PRs to go through, and we're just going to go through whatever I get through in an hour. So this one, I want to see, yeah, okay. So the most recent comment is actually just from me, and the interaction is a thumbs up emoji. So nothing really to follow up with here. So we'll go ahead and skip this one for today. I don't expect there to be much interesting in it right now. The multiple engram size PR is not merging. I don't know why this was listed as updated recently, because it certainly hasn't been. November 12th, 2017 is the last comment. We're not going to bother following up with that. This one, I think, is actually updated recently, 6 days ago. Cool. This looks pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and go through the changes that are described, take a look at the related JIRA, and see if this does what we want it to do. I think this one might be the PR that we get to merge today, and that would be really exciting because often, you know, the code reviews, you just see me going and asking for a bunch of changes, but it would be nice if we actually got to do this. Okay, Spark 14172. Yeah, this sounds good, and these both sound good. So let's go ahead and check the linked JIRA number. This lines up. This should probably have a Python tag in it. Will it let me edit the PR title? No. Sometimes people can check the box that allows committers to edit it. This is... Logistic regression model. Yeah, okay. This closes it out, I think. Override toString, logistic regression model, UID, num classes, and num features. Nice thing here, I see a test. That's okay, yeah. Cool. Classification, this is nice. I love seeing doc tests like this. Really nice. The repr here, even though it still shows my comment as being relevant, it's no longer relevant because they've changed the code underneath it. And sometimes GitHub doesn't do a great job when you're commenting about multiple lines. But yeah, so it's calling Java toString now, like we would expect. And same thing in MLlib as well. This one's really exciting, and it's really comparatively not a lot of lines. But I think it will improve the user experience for people working in SparkML a lot. And I think this is a good illustration of how changes which don't involve necessarily large amounts of code can bring really big improvements for folks. LGTM, merging to master. Let's double check. Yeah, 6 days ago. Yeah, that's fine. Yep, cool. Let's go ahead and make this happen. So now is a great time. We get to go through how the Spark PR merge scripts work. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go into Spark. Git branch. Oof. I should probably come back to this at some point. I'm gonna do a git push actually, just to make sure that my latest changes are in GitHub. Oh. So I'm gonna git checkout. Just back this up. Not super sure about this. I'll check this. I'll check these two branches later. It's not what we're working on today. I'm not sure which branch actually has what I need in it, so we'll deal with that. Git fetch origin. And I'm going to do a git pull from the Apache GitHub. And I'm going to pull the latest master branch because sometimes there are improvements to our development scripts which have happened since the last time I worked with them. Cool. now. Yeehaw. So this is the pull request I want to merge. Proceed with merging pull request. And so what this does is it goes ahead and it fetches the requisite pull request from GitHub. It also makes sure that we have the latest branch to merge it in. And for that, we don't go to GitHub. We go to the Apache Git server here. This all happens for us automatically. Yep. And that looks good. Now we get to play the game of does Holden remember her Apache password? Normally I use my password manager, and it looks like I did. That's exciting. Oh wait, no, exception. Authentication failed. Okay, looks like I did not. And since I don't want to show you all my password, I'm going to look it up on the password manager on my phone really quickly. Normally I just copy paste it because it's not the simplest. Okay, yeah. That's the ticket. We'll go ahead and do this once more. We're going to grab the PR number. Again, everything still looks fine. It's going to do our git fetch. Yeah, that's the primary author. Merge complete, push to Apache. Okay, that's my username. Double check my password really quickly. Cool, and this time it's actually pushed. Now it's asking us if we want to put this in any other branches. And since this is a new feature, the answer is going to be no, it's not a bug fix. I'm not going to bother backporting it. I'm going to say yes here, even though I think it's going to fail. Let's see what happens. Yeah, okay, it fails, and that's fine. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to jump into Jira and update this manually. This is a case where I have a bunch of ASF Jira accounts, but I never remember which one is which. Okay. Let's see if they have a... Crap. I'm not sure. I'm going to go ahead and ask, what's your Jira account name? So I can assign the Jira as resolved by you. Let's double check. Sometimes there's some comments down at the bottom. Oh, cool. Actually, yeah, so it is Bravo Zang. I don't know why it wasn't coming up. Bravo. Damn it. I remember why it's not coming up. Okay. So here I need to go into projects, Spark. Is that it, or is it settings? Jira administration projects. There we go. Spark. Somewhere in here. Yeah, there we go. View project roles. And we have this group of contributors. The PMC list is not up to date. Should probably do something about that at some point. Well, let me add people, add user to role. Cool. The role is contributors. There we go. Cool. Just while I'm here anyways, might as well update that. Let's go ahead. Go back. Back again. Okay, cool. And then we can go ahead and assign this. There we go. Lovely. Resolve issue. Fixed. Fixed is going to be version 240. And let's go ahead and say resolve. Okay, cool. That's great. So I'm going to leave a little thank you. Thanks for the fix. Thanks for the improvement. Cool. If we press enter, we might see it updated. Now, okay, sometimes there's some bots that'll come in and close the PR and do some other stuff for us. But those can take some time. I am going to git fetch Apache. And I'm going to do a git log to make sure that it's in there. Git log Apache master. Yeah, it's in there. Cool. This will close the PR. It'll just take a little bit of time for that commit to get mirrored over into GitHub, and then GitHub will go in and close the PR. That's great. Down at the bottom. Cool. Oh, awesome. Yeah, it is. So let's go ahead. Yep. And so this is someone's going to take over a friend's old PR, and I'm excited because this will move the code forward. Go ahead and close this. We're going to go ahead. So Yasik said thumbs up, but hasn't updated the code, I don't think. Let's check. No, this still moves all of them. Cool. Let me know when you get a chance to update the PR. And this is just a subtle poke to update the PR so that we can hopefully merge this next time. Oh, the compute cost thing. Seth hasn't had a chance to take a look at it, so we can ping Seth one more time as well. Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. The original PR. Okay, so let's look at what this PR does. Use data type simple string in error messages. What changes are proposed in this pull request? This thing tried to unify error messages about the data types. However, not everywhere was using it. And this PR tries to unify the message to always use simple strings. Okay, I'll leave. So, okay. We're going to go ahead, go into files changed. Yeah. This does not use simple string. So essentially the PR author stated that their intention was to use all of them with simple string. So we go through and we have some comments. Yeah. Scrolling through this, looking for places where it's missed is not super fun. Huh. This is a weird... Oh, okay. That's an assertion. Oh. Oh, these are assertions. Yeah, I guess in the suites it could make sense to keep the text literals. Let's do that. I'm tempted to check out this pull request and start grepping through it. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yes. These are fine. Then... Okay, yeah. Let's go back down to this comment that I made. Where did I make the comment? Yeah. That being said, let's go ahead and do a hub checkout. Crap, I probably don't have hub installed on this machine yet. Is it in my... Oh, hold on a second. Sorry. The joys of doing code reviews in a hotel room. Okay, sorry about that brief housekeeping sponsored interlude. I will put in my headphones again. And, oh man, my hair is a mess. Okay, whatever. Things that I will deal with later. Let's install Hub, assuming that it's not in apt. We might as well do that, and I can show you why I like the tool for code reviews. Doesn't look like it's there. Okay, GitHub Hub. So Hub is really useful for GitHub users that need to, or that are lazy like me, I guess. Is there a Debian? No, there's not a Debian version of it. Okay. I don't really want to build this. Arch Linux standalone. Download the latest compiled binaries and add them to your path. Okay. Hub 240 for Linux 64-bit. Huh. There's an install script. Yeah. Okay. Do I have Hub? I do, yay! So I like this because it lets me do things like check out pull requests super simply. So when I want to go and review someone's code, sometimes it's nice to be able to grep through it and look for things. So I think I can do this. How do I log in? How do I set up Hub? What is this bad credentials thing? I'm not super sure. What's going on? Hub credentials? Oh. Damn it. Oh. Do I have? No, I don't have a hub config. That's weird. This normally works, and I don't know why. Is there like a hub setup? Let's go back to here. Install. Okay, hub version? Hub browse. I don't know why this is behaving weirdly. Yeah. Where is it pulling my credentials from, though? Because it's not... Hub setup credentials. Oh, hey, Jacek. Yay! I mean, I could just clone the PR where the repo came from, but I like using Hub because it normally works easier. And so if I can figure out why it's broken, then it'll make my life a little easier. Oh, actually, yeah. Since you're here, Jacek, one of the PRs that I was looking at is your PR. if you wanted to just update this one really quickly while I'm screwing around with hub, we could go ahead and make this, you know, merge today if you can get to it in the next 20 minutes or so. In the meantime, I'm going to try and figure out why hub is being weird, because this is annoying me. And I'm good at rabbit holing. Hub setup credentials. Here we go. So it looks like this will maybe show my password. So maybe I should not do this. I'm gonna switch this. Oh, cool. Yay! So Yasek's gonna update that PR and we're gonna be able to make this work. I'm gonna switch this into BR. Okay, so it looks like the authorization token that it's using is redacted, which is useful, but the token I have is no longer valid. I'm not super sure. I just noticed that, once again, I forgot to update the review info page. Where does hub pull token from? Hub will try to use that OAuth token. Yeah, this is frustrating. I don't actually know where it's being pulled from, because the file that it states it should be coming from is, you know, not there. Config hub does not exist. I'm gonna, just 1 second, BRB. Okay, it looks like there is a place where it's reading it from an environment variable, so I'm just going to go ahead and I clear that environment variable, which had an out-of-date value, and now I'm going to go ahead and use the normal login where it will fetch a new OAuth token and save it to the configuration. Can't paste URL to the docs, but searching for checking out pull requests. Oh yeah, no. This is, I know how to do that. I just want to use hub because when it works, it's faster. Yeah. I think it's going to ask me for my two-factor. Guess it doesn't bother hiding the two-factor code. There we go. Yeah, so I like this. When it works, it's a lot easier. I guess if you have an expired OAuth token, it's super annoying to deal with though. So that's good to remember. Okay, let's go back to the PR, which is the source of this. I think it's this one. Yeah. So The most likely place where we're going to find sort of places where this is missing, so we'll go check some of those, are in the ML directory inside of a function that is called transform schema. So we're going to go ahead and look for all of the places where that's defined. And that is a lot. So we'll spot check a few because I'm lazy. Validate and okay. Clustering, Gaussian mixture. Oh. Cool. So this has, it looks like more frequently we use schema utils check column type, which might actually be better. Let's go ahead and find schema utils dot scala. Yeah, okay. So let's go over here. Yeah, so schema utils check numeric type here. Actually, no, check column type, because we also want to support strings. Cool. Still waiting on Yasek's PR. Yeah, so that's good. Gaussian mixture. So it looks like we actually probably can have a more specific grep inside of here. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Apache Spark ML. And we're going to replace this with require clear. Okay, and I'm going to scroll through here and look for which things look like they are about types. There's a lot more require statements. I'm lazy. Maybe we go back to the other one. Let's. Ooh. That was a weird message. Yeah, okay. Let's check some of these. Oh, well, here's an example of one which has not been updated. Okay, let's go ahead. Actually, we're going to go into Files Changed, Review Changes. Question about if we want to change to, what would the wording be? Well, I'm going to check OBS. OBS still looks like it's working fine. Change to using schema utils rather than just changing the error messages. Some places which might have been missed in this PR under ML. Yeah. And let's go ahead and check the string indexer to see what it's doing. String indexer.scala type. Yeah, this says string type or numeric type. String indexer.scala. Let's check FP growth. Growth.scala. Cool. FP growth was got string indexer tokenizer. Oh, cool. One more time. Sorry. And so there's probably a few other places as well where it's also missing. So I'm going to do this. I'm just going to copy pasta. Check with grep. My bash isn't good. My bash regex might not be great, but you get the idea. Yeah. To double check those, that would be great. Cool. And so we'll go ahead and leave a comment. I'm going to see if Jacek has finished updating his PR yet. Jacek's PR 25 minutes ago. Okay. Well, yeah, I'm gonna start packing to move hotel rooms. In fact, instead, and we will look at Jacek's PR the next time, or we'll give him another 3 minutes, 5 minutes. I just want to check. We can go through these few outstanding PRs. I just don't want to spend the rest of my time going through grep. Oh. Okay, yeah, 19 days ago. Yeah, that's not surprising. I wonder, huh. Yeah. What really triggered your interest in this PR? Oh, this has gone back and forth a lot. But at the very least, I can say, that being said, the last comment is a little old. It's from November of 2017, so I'm not sure that this is going to move forward at this point. Although it still merges cleanly, which is nice and exciting. Yeah, this one I'm not going to have a chance to look at. And yeah, oh yeah, okay. It also checks for an M variable called GitHub_token, which was surprising. Another pointed to deleting the config value, just in case. And this is more actually also just for future Holden, because future Holden may run into the same bugs or issues as present Holden, and I would like to find present Holden's words of wisdom. Cool. It looks like Jacek just had a chance to update his PR really quickly, so let's go ahead and make this happen. So, nan value moves, but it stays in the group of normal functions. I'm a little bit confused, but it is right underneath. Abs is the one that becomes math functions. Bitwise not still becomes math functions? That's confusing, because I thought we agreed not to do that. Let's go ahead and refresh this page quickly. So, RxIn said move abs and nothing else. So we're still merged. Let's go reconnect. Cool. Okay, hold on. Sorry, I don't mean to rush you, Jacek. It's quite all right. I'll go and take a look at my own PRs against the Spark project and see if any of them need some updating. Sorry. Yeah, Apache Spark. Oh yeah, okay, pull requests. Author Holden. Yay. Okay. Where did this get stuck? That's a great question. It's signed off on by Felix. That's good. Passes all of the tests. Looks fine. Let's do a quick spot check on this on my own PR. Yeah. Yeah. This actually looks pretty fine. And it'd be really good to get it in for Spark 2.4. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to take the work in progress tag off of this. We'll merge this PR, and then afterwards we'll check in with Jacek to see if he's done. And if not, I'll probably have to start running away anyways, because they gotta move to the next hotel room for fancy hotel adventures.
Fancy.
For my wife's birthday.
Birthday fancy.
Yeah, it's Carolyn's birthday, so we're celebrating at Disneyland because that's
what we do.
That's what we do. And on a related note, if anyone knows how to get invited to the Disney tech conferences, you let me know. Okay, this is the PR that we're going to merge. I'm going to double check the Jira. Oh, I just got your message. Sorry. So we'll check that the Jira matches because it's super awkward when it doesn't. Okay, Jacek is done. That's good. I'm going to merge my own PR really quickly that Felix signed off on. I'm going to go ahead and check out master again. And I don't save my Apache credentials unencrypted on this machine for security reasons, although to be fair, this is a Google laptop, and so most likely if someone got a hold of this, you know, making...
More exciting things than your Apache credentials?
Yeah, not that they would, because we have good security or whatever it is. Yeah, and after the last attempt of updating the Jira, we're not going to go there.
I don't have cat pictures.
Oh no, if they stole my cat pictures, that would be terrible. Resolve. Fixed version is going to be 240. Assignee is Holden. Merge to master. Okay, let's go ahead and take another look at Jacek's PR. This is Jacek's PR. Yay! Okay, cool. Files change 1. This takes the abs function, moves it down, changes the doc string for the bitwise not. That's fine. Cool. Review changes. Looks good to me. Go ahead, approve. Grab this PR number. I don't, this is, I mean, these PRs are relatively small PRs, but it's still a nice feeling to merge 3 PRs in one day. Yeah, normally it might make sense to wait for Jenkins, but this is literally just moving a function further down in the file. And we pretty much already had that. Yeah, 3 PRs in one day is a pretty nice day. I don't normally get to do that. There's Jacek's email. Go ahead and say yes, push to Apache. One last quick check before I press the final enter, which cool. We can change this. press enter, go ahead, assign is going to be Jacek. And we can resolve the issue for 240. Nope, and nope. Okay, thanks for helping improve our docs. No, congratulations to you, Jacek. Resolve. Merge to master. Cool. All right, we're done. That was a pretty great day. I'm gonna go not work on computers for a few hours. I'm pretty excited about that. Y'all have a lovely Thursday, and I'll see you all hopefully on Monday, where I'll be doing some more live coding, which will be focused on something else, I'm sure. I think it's the Apache diversity data stuff, which I'll be doing. So I hope you all have a lovely long weekend. Sorry, not long weekend. I hope you all have a lovely weekend.
Is it a long weekend for Americans? Or
Wait,
maybe next
it
weekend?
is? No, yeah.
Next weekend.
This is a normal weekend for Americans. Anyways, thank you all. Have a lovely day. Boo also wishes you all a lovely day. Bark, bark.
Bye.
I'm gonna switch this to the ending.